Hey Celeste, does that sock feel nice on your gums? You seem to be enjoying having that sock in your mouth. Now you're going to eat your dress. You can't eat your dress with your sock in your mouth. Here, you want this toy? You still got that sock in your mouth, Celeste. You're pretty silly. You're really silly with the sock in your mouth. Oh! You lost it. It fell out. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?